CZ Shadow 2. In recent years, CZ pistols have risen to the top of the US PSA production division, being chosen by more top-level competitors than any other brand. Given that popularity, it was time to up the ante. Starting from scratch, CZ engineers gave the Shadow 2 a higher beaver tail, undercut trigger guard, and fully checkered front and back straps. Slide and barrel are stretched to 1/4 inch to eke out more sight radius and add some weight to reduce muzzle flip. A contoured slide focuses the reciprocating mass more closely to the center line of the bore. An extended mag release has 3 positions. Also, both slim and extended ambi safety sets are included. The result is a pistol that's fast shooting and accurate, a gun born to dominate production division just like its predecessor.